Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. You're watching Crypto World. Today I discuss the topic regarding crypto mining. So those who don't have anything, who don't have nothing means financial side, he is totally broke, totally zero. So how he is able to get the crypto, to get the BTC and such other coin. On this way, I have to discuss how you mine BTC and free. So I will give you some suggestion and I will give you some website in my description. You have just go there, log in and start your free mining. So how it's possible, it's real. So I will discuss you this all, and then after that I will share with you one by one website in my coming video that how you will operate this website. So there's a lot of website in crypto side, like I will tell you some names like CryptoTab, MinerGate, and there is more which is I share with you in description. So you log in there, you start mining, but you have to take a long breath. For what? Because they are long time consuming process. But if you do it, means if you are try to run it multiple sites, like I will share with you like 10 to 20 sites which is able that you mine BTC at free. So in this case, what you will get BTC in very in less quantity. Not like that you will at one day you will mine for $2, for $3, for no. You just mine $0.50, $0.20, $0.30, $0.10. You will earn or you will mine BTC on that much amount. So if there is more than 10-20 website which is running on your PC, on your tab or your mobile phone, so you just imagine if everyone making 0.10 and you have 10 devices, so means you will get $1. So this is the way. So I will share with you time to time the website of free mining, how you will operate, how you will convert that mining to your wallet, and how you will boost this mining. How you will boost this mining, I will also share with you this, because with the passage of time, when you earn something or you take some money from somewhere, from any other side, you take money, you also take cloud boost and the mining side. So this is an individual topic. We will take another video with this topic. So right now what I'm discussing regarding the free mining, which is most of the people knows about it, but most of the people still not know the availability, how to operate and how to transfer the payment from free mining to your wallet. So this all most of the people didn't know. So I here to help you, and I here to give you the proper guidance how to do it and how to transfer your mining payment to your wallet. So in coming video, what I share in the description link, one by one I will share with you, and you just watch it and operate it on the same manner, and you will get the mining BTC, and then this mining BTC you convert it to, and you transfer it to your wallet. In your wallet you trade on it. So in free you will be a BTC trader. So this is my main point. Please, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, share my video, comments, and also give me a suggestion. And if anybody want to come to the crypto site, so please I will share with you the referral link. So anyone want, so he use my referral link, please comments and I will share with you the referral. I will also share in my description tab, but I will share with you to the links. So you also join us in referral link, so you will get minimum benefit, and I will share with you video time to time which is help you out in cryptocurrencies. So be with me for next video. For now, Allah Hafiz.